G'day beer lovers. Well, today in Bali we've decided to go and look at some waterfalls. A lot of tourists come here. Very disappointed. I was expecting waterfalls in the middle of a rainforest and a real natural environment. But like everything in Bali, it's all over commercialised. And as you'll see, all around the waterfalls there are bars, there are restaurants, there's all these little commercial places where they're all trying to make more money. So, you pay your money to get in here, and then, everything you do in here, it's extra. Yeah, no, it's another place I'm very disappointed in. But I'll show you around this waterfall place anyway. One of the good things about Bali are the banana smoothies here. I reckon the Balinese are #1 in making banana smoothies. No one does it like the Balinese. I just love these banana smoothies.
Night comes again, everything flows, here comes another new day. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Yeah, we've climbed down to the bottom of the waterfalls, and we want to just get some photos done right at the bottom of it and maybe put our little tooties in the water. But then you're confronted with this little ticket box where they want to charge you extra to get down to the bottom. This is after you've already paid to get into this place. Oh man, this is crazy.